Welcome back everyone. My name is Sudeep Mansali. Now I am here with one of the interesting JavaScript feature related to arrays, which will help us to work with arrays, and that feature would be the spread operator. The spread operator is an operator in the end pulls out all the elements of an array and gives them as you a standalone a list of elements. Here you define the array. This is the string, so put in within the quotes and close this. So to pull out all the elements of that array, we use a spread operator. Just for testing here, I console.log spread operator with the names, save it, and type node app.js. Here you see Sudeep Mansali. The both are the two elements of the array names. And I also can't assign these values like to the constant like a const names to like names. This could lead to the syntax error, so just comment it. Create a copy of the names array. I just declare one more array, copied array, with the square brackets, empty square brackets with no elements within that. But now to populate it with the elements of names, but not by adding names like this. This would insert the names array as the first and only element in the copied names array, but so we could create a nested array in the end. Here you see the nested array we got in the console. But instead we add 3 dots in front of the array names, which is called as a spread operator. For example, when we initialize an array, this will pull out all the elements out of the names array and add them as individual elements to the newly created array as a copied array. Otherwise, an empty array and then copied names is a new array because we created it with the square brackets with the values of the old array. Or log these names also here. Save it. When we logged here, we got the same array. Now I just show you the interesting thing here. You push a new name to the names array, and Node.js. Here you see the John is added to the elements of the array, that is the names array, but it is not the part of the copied array. Here you have created the brand new array which is not pointing to the same array, that is names. This is the one advantage that we can use with the spread operator. So just use the spread operator for copying the array elements. Now you also have some functionalities in JavaScript. For example, on the global math object, that is the math.min function, that takes the argument like 1 comma -5 comma -3, and it does not take the array values like this. If you do that, now just save it and run here. Sorry, this method will not take this as an array. And if you log this console.log, it just return -5 as our value. Just save this. Here you see the -5 is logged in the console, and this -5 is the smallest value within this list, 1, -5 and -3. Now if you want to find the smallest value in the array, like var nums, here you go on defining some array values, that is 1 comma 2 comma -3 comma 7 comma 9. Here the smallest value is the -3. Just if you pass this nums, it will be a default arrays. So the math.min function will not take the array values, so you just put the spread operator in front of the nums. Just it will pulls out all the elements, that is 1 2 -3 7 9, and adds here and passed as an argument, and that will return -3 as a output. This is the smallest element present within that array. This is also one use of a spread operator. And one more usage of the spread operator with the objects is to pull out all the properties that are present in an object. Like here you define where object. Now to copy this object to person object with all the properties like a name and age, person object 2 with all the properties that are in the present person object. And also you can add one more property here, place, that is Bangalore. Now just save here and log both the objects, console.log person object comma person object 2. Just save here and node.js. Here you see the first object, that is name with Johnny and the age is 21, and the new object that is created with one more property, that is place, that is set to Bangalore. This is also one use of the spread operator. Here you can create the new object also with the same properties. And you must be careful when you are using with the array of objects, that is the spread operator with array of objects. Here you can check this, like the copied arrays. Here I pull out all the objects that are present within the persons array, and I can log this both, console.log persons comma copied persons. Just save here. I got both the objects, that is same Mike and with the age 25, and the John and Mike with the age 25 and 22. Now you just make here, go above and add persons and push one more object here, one more item with a name. Push one more item, that is host, and his age is 46. Here you see the 3 elements in the persons array, and the copied persons have only 2 elements. Here you created the brand new arrays. Both are different arrays. Now here is the strange behavior. I show you. Just modify the person's first element, that is persons first index with the property name, or the just change it age equals for 50, like that. Just save here, and when you log this, here you see name is John and the age is 20 in the first array, that is the persons array, and that is also changed in the second array, that is the copied persons. Name is John and the age is 50. And this is not a bug or any error. This is the intended behavior of the JavaScript. Here we copy the references of these objects. We are not copying the elements of these objects. That you how to use this spread operator with the functions. Just comment all these. Here you just define a function, fun's function with a person info. Okay, you just pass there. You just make a call to this function person info and just pass John and age is 20. Now save here and console.log person info.junction, that is PA not, this is P. You got John and 20. He will send one more property here, or the one more, he will send one more parameter here, that is his place, and that is Bangalore. And also adds his one more property, that is his phone number, that is 974, that is like this. And here you have declared only the 2 parameters. To collect all these items like Bangalore and his phone number, add one more property with the spread operator, that is info, and also log with console.log and info. That holds the Bangalore and his phone number, that is the place and phone number. Here you see that is the John and is the name and his age, and the other information that is sent as a parameter, that is Bangalore and his phone number. It is in array. Like this we use the spread operator in functions. Thanks for watching the video.